So far we have discussed string formatting using plus, using comma, using percentage operator and the fstring method. A dot format method is a functionality that has been added in Python 2. It works in Python 3 as well. So let's see how it works. For example, if I have to print this using dot format, how will I proceed? See, I have to use curly brackets here and curly brackets here and just put dot format and just keep it inside the values 5 for days and Shimla for the place. This is a string, just click run. See, this is printing I'm going on a vacation of 5 days to Shimla. If I change this to 10, click run, see, it works. What if I change these values into a variable? I just assign this into days equal to, let's say 5, and let's say place Shimla. Let's replace this value with the variable name and here with the place. Now click run. See, so this is another method of using dot format. Just replace the values with the variable name. Another method we can use, if I put here 0 and 1. Let's say I just add I'm going on a vacation of 5 days to Shimla with 1000 rupees in my wallet, and I just change this, assign this into money and just replace this with a curly brackets and here money. Click run. My mistake, put a 2 here, click run. See, I'm going on a vacation of 5 days to Shimla with 100 rupees in my wallet. So why I have used 0, 1 and 2? These represent the indexes, because the index by default starts from 0 and 1 and goes like this. So we have to assign this as 0, 1 and 2. 0 for days, 1 for place and 2 for this money. So what if I want to change the order? Let's say I just print 2 here, just replace this 2 with 0. Click run. See, I'm going on a vacation of 1000 days to Shimla with 5 rupees in my wallet. So I just have changed the position of the variables. So in this way we can change the order of printing by using indexes. I can also do one more thing. If I just let's say I'm just removing this, only 2 variables, and just remove this. What if I want to change the variable name? If I want to use a new variable name, so I just change the name of the place as new place and I write as Manali, and similarly new days equal to, let's say 15. Then I have to just put it inside the curly brackets. Now click run. See, I'm going on a vacation of 15 days to Manali. I can use this in this way also by using a new variable, assigning a new value. So these are 4 methods of using dot format. That's all for now for string formatting. We'll do something new in the next video. Till then, bye bye.